I got it. I got it. I got it. My parents don't know. Don't tell them. So, I'm gonna close that. What's up? I got a Hunter Original, and it's the new one. There. Now you can see easier. I've been wanting this for a while now. Like, a while. Like, I don't know. Just a long time. That's all I know. My parents don't know that I have this because they don't like that I probably got this. This thing's heavy. I did get a black one a while ago off Mercari for like $200-ish. Here's a clip of me trying to put it up. Here goes nothing. Wait. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. And it worked, but as you can see, this happened with the whole speed stuff. So there's no off? Either I wired it wrong, or there's no off. That is so scary. Or it starts going. And then later I tinkered with it, and yeah, it straight up broke. Hold on. There's the blades. Now that I'm looking at my room and seeing these blades in real life, I might actually use these. Because I was originally planning on using the blades that came with the black original that I got. Because my room's like darker-ish. And I was like, I don't really like the blades on how they look on this camera. Or not on this camera. On this fan. Duh. We good? Cool. Here it is. It's really cool looking. Alright, here's the double clamp claw along with the down rod. We got a canopy. Blade arms. Wow, these are heavy. These blade arms are the cast iron ones. What's under here? We got the U-bolt. Sick. It's got double holes so I can put it in the fan box. And here's like the rubber ball thingy. Let's get this off. There she is. Ugh, I love it. Love it, love it. Here's your oil. The smell. It smells good. Smells neat. This is your light fitter adapter. Need to put that back. Let's see. Pull chain. Your bolts. Rubber grommets. Screws. Fan itself. All of its glory. Guys, I'm so excited for this. You have no idea. Because I love originals. They're so cool. That's so cool. Sick. And I already took down my windward. Okay, what I'm going to do is take everything out of its package and put all the bags back. Wow. Look at that. The camera does not do it justice. I might get some B-roll with my DSLR so it'll pick it up better. That's heavy. It's almost a pound. What is up with my voice right now? I am planning on doing 5. 2 reasons. 1, I think it looks better. 2, what am I supposed to do with the last blade? Well, you can store it or hang it up or put it somewhere or something. What? No. I was debating whether or not to get another black original or if I should get this one. Main reason why I got this one is because I saw a review by Vintage Fans and More and his product highlight, and he said that they just like this is the best that it's been in a while. and I don't know if they actually applied that to the black ones or not. I know for a fact that the black ones don't have the cast iron brackets. Blade arms. Sorry. And that's something that I wanted. So yeah. Warning, advertise. What does it say? Warning, support directly from building structure. One thing that I like about my room is that my fan box is directly right to a metal beam. Why is my voice dying? Okay, it's not a fancy Hunter pole chain. If this was a fancy Hunter pole chain, I would probably put it on, but since it's not, I'm not going to put it on. So I'm just going to leave that in there. It's like candy. It's not. Don't do that. Warning, failure to add oil per instructions will void warranty. Well, if you don't add oil to this thing, you're done. Also, might I say, I'm just glad that they went back to the old way that they added oil, which is on the top, right here, instead of like on the switch housing. Also, this is what it looks like. Ooh, I haven't even seen that motor tag. Okay, that looks cool. If you guys are wondering when this was made, it was made on the 47th week of 2020. So a lot of what these were made on, which is right after Thanksgiving. Depending on how tall this is, or like how far down it goes, which it says it was 13 inches. And my windward was hanging a little bit lower than that from the ceiling. I want to put a light kit on here, like just the standard schoolhouse one. Oh, it looks so good. I love it a lot. I really do. And my down rod's already scratched. That's cool.
I don't know if it's kind of picking up. Yeah, you can see. It's scratched.
Good thing I'm not picky. Alright. Next time when you see me, I'm gonna start hanging this up, putting it together. Hope you enjoyed this montage. I'm going to turn this back on, but I just put it to low. That doesn't sound good. Okay, I'm just gonna let the oil sit. Hopefully that's it. Yeah, because I'm sure it's not gonna do that forever. But if it does that for like 10 minutes once I have this on, I'm gonna be like, yo Hunter, what the heck? Alright, time to go into the blades. Alright, you're on the floor with me. Deal with it. Alright, so I was spinning this just a little bit, and it's still having that scraping sound, so I'm going to check. Yes, there is indeed oil. So, what I'm going to do is have this run on low for a little bit, see if the scraping goes away. Hopefully it does, and if it doesn't, I'm going to contact Hunter and ask, what's up? Man, I really hope it'll go away. Really hoping. But yeah, here we go. don't know what that could be. Sounds like it's on this side. It is super quiet though, other than that scraping sound. But yeah, I have no idea what that sound is, and I don't want to open it up, but I'm going to let it run for a little bit, and let's see, what time is it now? Alright, it's 2:57. I'll come back to you guys at like 3:15-ish, and give you an update. But yeah, this is blowing. Oh, I love this thing. Other than that scraping sound, which I'm a little concerned about, I love it. And I really like how it matches my curtains. And plus it just complements the floor too. I don't know. I like it a lot. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, so it's been about a week and a half since I recorded last, and I thought I should get you some updates on what I did in between that week and a half. One of the things I did was that I tried 4 blades on this guy. Didn't really look that good. I also did paint my black original blades to a color that I thought might look good. It was too dark for my room, so I just converted back to the blades that came with this fan. And I also put on a schoolhouse light kit. It hung down a little bit too low, plus it just looked a little weird for my taste, so all in all, I just went back to how it was when I originally installed it. And that pull chain that is on there right now is from my 44-inch Windward. But before I end off the video, I thought I should show you guys a little small demo. So we're going to be starting off with low speed. This fan puts out a very nice amount of air, and if you guys can't tell already, that scraping sound did eventually go away. Pretty sure the oil just needed to get settled within the fan, but I have no idea what that is, but I'm just glad that it's gone now. Alright, now we're going to go on to medium. Now, I don't know if it's just my fan or what, but I was looking at other matte silver originals, and their low speed is slower than mine. I don't know why exactly. It might be the climate that they're in or something, but I'm not sure, but that's okay, because I do have a multi-speed wall control, so if I really want to, I can just technically make my own speeds, if that even made any sense. There's medium. Now we're going to bump up to high. Now this thing is powerful. Moves a ton of air. I don't know if you can see it, but it is moving my curtains. How often am I going to use this fan on high, to be honest? Probably not that often. But probably until it gets to like 95 out here, because 95 out in Colorado is very toasty because of how dry it is. Now we're turning it off. And we'll do a spin down just for fun. Be because this is my first video ever doing something like this, I'm curious if you guys want to see more like this, and if you do, please let me know. I will do more fan videos if that's what you want, of like other fans around my house. But yeah. My most favorite design ever. These things were all around when I was a kid. There were some black ones and Outback Steakhouse, that is. I saw some white ones at Burger King. There was some, I want to say, brass ones at a grocery store. And there was some other ones on my dad's military base. But yeah, these things were pretty much everywhere. I saw more 4-bladed fans than I did 5-bladed. But when I found out what the name of this thing was, when I got a little bit older, I was like, oh, that's what it's called? And then I was like, I've been wanting one forever. And I saw that it was $500. I'm like, ugh. But since I've been doing a lot of hours at work and I'm starting to get a new job that pays a little bit more, I had a lot of spare cash, I'm like, I don't care. I'm going to buy an original. It's totally worth it. It's going to last you a lifetime. Also, my parents did find out that I bought this thing, so you can tell them if you want. They'll be like, yeah, I know. Are they happy about it? No, because they think it's stupid to spend $500 on a fan. But if it's supposed to last you forever, then I would say just do it. This thing's got a very long spin down time, probably because of those cast iron blade arms, and plus the blades themselves are pretty heavy too. So with heavier blades, the longer it takes for it to spin down. If you hear that ruckus, that's my dad in the garage. I don't know what he's doing. Alright, spun down. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please consider leaving a like. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya!